Barbara's already started tearing some of this out. Closet, stove, all gone. Okay, she demoed the wall, the cabinets. Well, not the wall, the cabinets. The standing cabinet that was here. You can see the footprint on the roof, on the ceiling. She tore it all out. Now this wall here has to be moved over. And then this wall here is going to move back about 8 inches to give us a little more room in the kitchen area. And again, this wall is going to be taken out. No base cabinet here. It's just going to be open into that living area.